A seller's market is a real estate market in which there are more buyers than sellers. This means that sellers have more power in negotiations and can often sell their homes for more than they would in a buyer's market. During a seller's market, properties will often sell quickly, sell for over their asking price, and receive multiple offers. Whether you're thinking about buying a home or selling your home in a seller's market, it's important to be prepared for the competition and to work with a qualified real estate agent who can help you get the best possible price for your home. Here are some strategies for selling your home in a seller's market. First, price your home competitively. In a seller's market, you may be able to get away with asking a higher price for your home than you would in a buyer's market. However, it's important to price your home realistically so that you don't scare away potential buyers. Make your home as appealing as possible. In a competitive market, every little detail counts. Make sure your home is clean, staged, and in good condition before you put it on the market. Work with a qualified real estate agent. A good real estate agent can help you navigate the seller's market and get the best possible price for your home. Here are some strategies for buying a home in a seller's market. Make sure you have a mortgage pre-approval letter. Better yet, make an offer once you have a fully underwritten pre-approval. A fully underwritten pre-approval gets most of the loan paperwork completed before you make an offer, so that the whole process is shorter and has a better chance of closing without issues. Sellers usually prefer offers with the least amount of contingencies. Make sure you only remove contingencies that you feel comfortable removing. Increase your initial deposit amount. The standard deposit is 3% of the offered price, but a larger initial deposit can be attractive to sellers. Offer over the asking price. If there are multiple offers, sellers usually pick the highest offer. In a seller's market where demand outpaces supply, sellers gain the upper hand in negotiations, selling properties quickly and often above the asking price, and with multiple offers. To succeed, sellers should price competitively, maintain an appealing home, and collaborate with experienced real estate agents. Buyers, on the other hand, must come prepared with mortgage pre-approvals, minimal contingencies, and attractive offers to stand out in the fierce competition. Partnering with a qualified agent becomes crucial for both parties to navigate the complexities of a seller's market successfully.